Alright folks, out on the water, out with Alan today. It's early October. We've had a lot of rain last night, a lot of rain lately, but this lake for some reason the water is extremely low. I don't know if they drained it or what, but it's low. And the fish here have been in the pads, but we'll see if there still are any pads left and if they're in. So get back to you guys soon. By the way, the temperature is about 65. Gonna stay around that today. A little bit of wind, so let's see where they're at today. Get back to you. Fish on, baby.
I liked your fucking when you ripped it back. You're like, boom. Like, God, give me money.
Well, they're back here. I was slow rolling that one. You just look at its trail hook and the bottom lip.
Yeah.
Trail hook always there, guys. See what I mean?
I don't even have a trail hook on this.
Always.
Better hope you eat it.
Little guy have a first fish in the boat. Thank you, sir. Got one? There you go. Yeah. Pounder. Alan with his first fish of the day on what? Frog? Copper's 45 frog. What color? What color is a frog? Oh, it's a spro popper. Oh shit. We're on the edge of the pits.
Yeah, you came for it.
Damn. Alan got another one in the boat.
There you go.
Oh, missed it. He came fucking flying out of the pits. Holy shit.
Yeah, man, they're fucking sitting in here.
Holy shit, man. I gotta slow it down.
I was pulling it in the fucking boat. You know what I mean?
He can't, I can see him shoot out for that. I think so. Yep.
Yeah.
Damn, these fuckers fight. See, it's probably the same fish because they're aggressive as shit.
Yeah. Hey, that's a nice one. You recording it, right?
Yeah,
Right,
now I am. Look at these fucking teeth, man.
Yeah. That's a pickerel, dude.
Oh, it is, yeah.
That's a pickerel. I'm gonna say 2.8.
Well, you got the main hook right in the side there.
Yeah, no, not too bad. That's 2 pounds. Yo, they're so aggressive.
Fuck yeah, look at those teeth, man. They'll fuck your ass up.